Hello, welcome to Water Sign Philippines. So, reading po ito for Water Sign Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Take only what resonates, guys. Sa gustong magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Trader, pakisearch na lang siya sa Facebook. Jing Tarot Trader, siya yung pwede magbigay ng personal reading sa'yo. And kung gusto mo rin makaranas ng free na palm reading mula sa akin, actually hindi naman siya free. Kasi kailangan mo mag-avail ng bracelet. Bali, free lang siya pag nag-avail ka ng bracelet. Mga pampaswerteng bracelet yan, guys. Ayan. Piyaw bracelet. So, ano lang yon, yung additional ko lang yung may free na palm reading mula sa akin pag nag-avail ka nyan. So, okay. So, let's start your reading. This is for the sign of water sign. Hindi to magre-resonate sa lahat kasi hindi ko naman talaga makukuha lahat ng water sign sa mundo. Energies. But anyway, importante pa rin naman yung reading. Kung makarelate ka, makaresonate ka, maaaring ang reading na ito ay para sa'yo. Please do like this video, guys. And please do comment down below. Sobrang na-appreciate ko yung comment. Kahit po heart lang, masaya na po ako dun. For the sign of water sign, spirit guides, angel guides. For the sign of water sign. Wait lang, guys. Ang galing ko lang yung aking isang bote. Nababother ako. And anyway. For water sign, six of pentacles. King of Pentacles, okay. The Sun, and the Four of Cups. Bottom of the deck is the King of Wands. I can see a friend, or maybe someone na may kaya, maybe a boss, okay, or a friend, or an employer, or someone na may medyo mataas ang kanyang katayuan. Kung hindi man boss, maybe a friend who's like a boss or may negosyo, may maybe a manager or mataas ang kanyang posisyon. This person na pwedeng tumutulong sa'yo, parang hindi siya masyadong sure sa ngayon. Clarify this, please. What's with the Four of Cups? Yes, parang either gusto niyang mag-travel or vice versa, gusto niya mag-travel ka. Like maybe itong person that is no longer sure kung I don't know kung nagkakaroon ba ng pag-aaway sa inyong dalawa. So if you are dealing with your employer, pwedeng gusto niyang ikaw itong kusang lumayo or umalis. Ganyan. Kasi parang hindi na siya masyadong sure sa'yo. Sa mga pinapakita mo. Pwedeng dahil nagkaroon ng arguments, hindi magandang pag-uusap sa inyo. So parang this person wants you away. Ganong ano. Nakikita niya masyadong magkalayo yung energy ninyo. Who is this person that you're dealing with? Yeah. Five of Swords, Two of Swords. Well, actually, wala itong kinalaman sa love. And this is about the person na pwedeng gusto niya magkaroon ng ending sa inyo. Maybe nagkakaroon ng pag-aaway, sagutan, hindi magandang connection sa inyong dalawa nitong taon to. I told you this could be a friend, or a person na parang nagdedesisyon na siya na parang gusto niya nang i-end kasi hindi na siya masyadong sure. Regarding For some of you, pwedeng, kung hindi naman nagkakaroon ng situation or scenario na may pag-aaway, alam mo naman yan sa sarili mo, pwedeng with regard sa money or stability, career, home, either kung ito ay employer, pwedeng may nakikialam sa pagdedesisyon niya, which is could be spouse or yung asawa. Siya yung nagiging dahilan or pinaparamdam niya doon sa kanyang partner, sa kanyang wife or sa kanyang husband, kung sino man ito, babae man or lalaki, na hindi nagiging okay ang outcome ng ating pera, ng ating finances. So parang you need to let go of this. Yan. So kung ito ay may kinalaman sa career or sa trabaho, itong taong ito ay parang nakakaisip na siya na kailangan kang i-let go because of financial problem or para mabawasan naman yung bigat na na dinadala nila pagdating sa pera. Anyway, what is the advice for you? Gagamit ako ng ibang card. I will save this for later. Again, gagamitin ko pa yung card na yan, pero ito muna. What is the advice for water sign? What is the advice for water sign, please? Advice for water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Anong advice for you? Read over the sun. The Hermit. Knight of Swords. Queen of Pentacles, the Magician, and the Five of Swords. I feel like the Empress is here. Just focus on yourself. Yun lang yung advice. Focus on yourself. Love yourself. Mag-focus ka sa ano yung tingin mo makakapagpasaya, makakapagpaganda sa'yo. Life is short. Parang gano'n. With this, sana nakikita natin kung saan ka masaya. Yun lang yun. Kung saan ka masaya. If ang makakapagpasaya sa'yo is this house, this home, or dito sa, I'm feeling like a particular home or bahay, kung ito yung nakakapagpasaya sa'yo, then go for it. Dun, yung, if you're dealing with a friend, or yun nga, an employer, na parang nakakaramdam na ng feeling na ikaw ay dapat na paalisin, or gusto ka na paalisin, ganyan, the energy here is that time will come, kakailanganin ka pa rin nila eh. So, time will come, they still need you para makaalis sila sa sitwasyon or bagay na nakakapagpahirap sa kanila. So, for now, maaaring naiisip nila yon because of their problem, financial problem, pero lilipas din eh. Nakikita natin na may mga lessons lang na kailangan matutunan or ayusin sa buhay itong taong ito. So, saglit lang. Kung iisipin man nila na parang gusto ka nilang paalisin, saglit lang yon. Okay. High chance that this has something to do with your career, ha? Kasi wala akong nakikitang love dito. But, anyway, the Nine of Swords, if ang makakapagpasaya naman sa'yo is to go home, or umuwi na lang, layuan na lang, alisan na lang kung ano man itong career na to na parang hindi masyado nag-workout, kung yun ang tingin mo makakapagpasaya sa'yo, and then go for it. 'Di ba? Ang pinaka-advice sa'yo is kung ano ang makakapagpasaya sa'yo. But if you're happy dito sa kung nasaan ka, sa home or sa place or sa career na parang you feel like this is already your home, you are already happy dito sa bahay na to, sa buhay na ito, then sige lang, ituloy mo lang. Kung may feeling man na gano'n, na may parang kailangan mong umalis, lilipas din yon. Okay, huwag mo masyadong damdamin. And what will be the future for you, near future reading for water sign? For water sign, you do have your Justice card. Yeah, this is something to do with your career, and in the future nakita tayo ng Ten of Swords. Yeah, and the Magician. Okay, so clarify this. Ten of Swords, Ten of Swords, the Sorry, the Five of Pentacles is here. Ten of Cups. Actually, I can see possible ending with the Magician. And actually, it's not an ending na masakit, but rather an ending na magiging masaya for you. Parang there's a new beginning na naghihintay para sa'yo. If there's an ending, there's a new beginning in the future. Clarify the Five of Pentacles, please. Okay. The Empress is here. Queen of Swords is here. It's okay to love yourself, pero pagdating sa paggastos, wag masyado. Like, you have to love yourself, pero of course, at the same time, wag naman parang you only live once. Wag naman ganun yung parang energy mo na parang lahat ng gusto mong bilhin or gagawin mo or bibilhin mo, 'di ba? Pagdating sa career, kasi balik tayo sa career, no? Yung nakikita nating ending dito has something to do with mga luho mo or mga bagay na I don't know, like maybe a hobby or entertainment. Yung iba sa inyo na-entertain kang manood ng mga ganito, ganyan, pero possible na matapos yung panonood mo na yun, maybe a series or yung panonood ng TV. That's weird actually. I don't know, maybe you're working, maybe you're a self-employed, maybe you're working at home-based job, ganon. Yung iba sa inyo pwedeng DH, ganon ang energy. At saka isa pa, no, pagdating sa paggastos, isang tabi yung pamilya. What I mean to say here is that pwedeng may family dito na feeling family pag may pera ka. So, yun. Wag mong hayaan na mamanipula ka or wag kang magpauto dito sa mga to. Kasi ikaw yung magmumukhang kawawa in the end. You have to end this making fool out of yourself na parang maging maganda tingin nila sa'yo, parang magmukha kang katanggap, parang feeling mo katanggap-tanggap ka para sa kanila because actually, oo, kasi may pera ka, pero pag wala ka ng pakinabang, parang yun lang, binibigyan ka lang ng advice na maglaylo ka pagdating sa ganun. Na pag ang gastos ay may kinalaman dito sa pamilya nito, na pamilya ka lang pag may pera ka. Okay, you have to love yourself. And anyway, thank you for watching, guys. Yun lang yung messages natin for today. Thank you for watching. May mga small changes lang ako nakikita sa'yo. Pakunti-kunti lang. Hindi man masyadong big deal. Kumbaga parang wala lang masyado. Konting changes lang pagdating sa nakagawian mo sa buhay, sa araw-araw. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.